You're probably wondering now, who's going to pay for your car? After you're involved in a car accident in Florida, the question always remains, who is going to pay for your car? You keep hearing about this no fault this, no fault that. Well, I'm going to explain to you. My name's attorney Edward Reyes, and I am with the Reyes Firm. When you're involved in a car accident, you always have to look at who's the at-fault party, because the non-at-fault party, the person that was not at fault, is not going to pay for the damages for somebody else that is at fault. Now, if you are rear-ended by somebody in Florida or whatever the state you may be in, the other side should pay for the damages to your car. Not only pay for the damages to your car, also pay for the contents inside your car, meaning property damage. It could be your cell phone, it could be sunglasses, it could be whatever the case is. If you have a car seat in the car, they also have to pay for your car seat in the car. Even if it's not damaged, because it's a safety issue, they have to still cover it. Now, if you are at fault for the car accident, your insurance company is the one that has to pay for it, but you need collision coverage. Collision coverage is a coverage that you have to buy that doesn't come standard in your auto insurance policy. If you have this coverage, and then that coverage will pay for your collision for your car. Property damage, the coverage called property damage only covers the property damage for the other side. If you have any questions on this, please comment below. And if this video is helpful for you, please write the word helpful below as well. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching.